Uh, Hello students, मैं BL Sharma, Maths sir. Today in this class we have to discuss the chapter Statistics of class 10th Mathematics, that is the part of term 2 board examination. Yes. So in this question we have to start from the very beginning and we have to do very small questions. So the question number first that is on your screen, in this chapter we shall be discussing mean, mode and median of the given data. So first question is on your screen and this question is, find the class mark of the classes 10 to 20 and 35 to 35 students. We know that class mark is given by, class mark is actually said to be the mid value of the class, and for the mid value of the class the formula is lower limit plus upper limit of the class divided by 2. So for the class here 10 to 25, the lower limit of the class is 10. The upper limit is 20 divided by 2. So that is 30 by 2. This is 15. So class mark of the class 10 to 20 is 15. And for the class 35 to 55, the lower limit is 35. The upper limit is 55 divided by 2. So that is 90 by 2. This is 45. So answer of this question is 15 and 45. Means the mid value of the class 10 to 20 is 15 and 35 to 55 is, that is here 45. So C is the correct answer here. Now we come to the second question of this, and this question says, then in this question 2, if di, that is xi minus 13, and total of fi into di is 30, and total of frequencies fi is 120, then what is the mean? X bar, the symbol X bar, that is mean, is given by X bar. So mean is equal to, we know that di is equal to xi minus a. In this question, di is given xi minus 13. Therefore, the value of a is 13 is assumed, the mean is 13. And we have the formula for the mean, that is assumed mean plus fi into di upon total fi. That is, it is given in the question. This is a is equal to 13 plus 30 upon 120, that is 13 plus 30 4 ja 1 by 4. So that is 13.25 is the correct answer. Here, student, we have to compare the formula di, that is xi minus a. A is the assumed mean. So here assumed mean is 13. So in place of a, we can write here 13 and we can give the answer now. So we can write which is the correct answer. So C is the correct option here. That is 13.25. Now we come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. The question 3 asks that the mean of first 10 odd natural numbers are. The first 10 odd natural numbers are, we can say 1, and then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, then 11, then 13, then 15 plus 17 and 19, and divide by 10. First 10 odd natural numbers. We have to consider here odd natural numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Please add these numbers carefully. What is the sum of all these numbers? Please add yourself. That is 100 divided by 10, that is 10 answer. So mean of the first 10 odd natural numbers, that is given by 10. So the answer here is, that is B is the correct option here. So B is the correct option, students. And right. Now we come to the next question. That next question is question number 4. That is, if the mean of the first n natural numbers is 5n by 9, then what is the value of n? We know that from the arithmetic progression, we know that sum of first n natural numbers is given by n plus 1 by 2. And if we find the mean, and therefore the mean of first n natural numbers will be n plus 1 by 2 divided by n. It is, on division, we get it, n and n cancel, that is n plus 1 by 2, because this n and this n is cancelled. And this is given in the question. It is given that this mean is equal to 5n upon 9. So this can be written as, that is equal to, so we can further write, that is 5n upon 9. On cross multiplication, we can get it. We can further simplify. It gives us 9n plus 9, that is 10n. So 10n minus 9n is 9, taking n is equal to 9. So n is equal to 9. That is the answer of this question. The value of n is 9 here. You can write in your notebook, students. And now we can check the answer. So here B is the correct option. B is the correct option. So if the mean of first n natural numbers is 5n upon 9, then the value of n will be given by 9. Student, keep in mind that sum of first n natural numbers is given by n plus 1 by 2, and this comes from the chapter arithmetic progression. We know that mean is the average, and we can say mean of the given observation is given by sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Here number of observation is n. On putting the value and equating them, we get n is equal to 9 answer. And now we come to the next question. The question number 5 says that if the mean of x plus 3, x plus 6, and x plus 9, and x plus 12 is 10. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations. So mean is, we can say, mean can be written as, the formula of the mean is sum of all observations upon number of observations. Mean is already given, that is 10, and sum of all observations, that is x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 12 divided by 5, because these are 5 observations. On adding these values, 10 5s are 50, that is 5x plus 3, 6, 9, 9, 18, and 12, 30. On further simplification, we have 5x is equal to 50 minus 30. That is given by 5x is 20. On further simplification, the value of x is 20 by 5, that is 4 answer. So value of x is 4 here. Now we can check the answer. We can take the objective part here. Please write in your notebook carefully. Practice these questions. And now we can check the answer is for yes. 4 is the answer here. So C is the correct option. Now we can go for the next question. Yes. Question number 6 says that first we read the question twice. 4 observations, that is 2, 4, 6, and 8. The frequencies of the first 3 observations are 3, 2, and 1 respectively. If the mean of the observations is 4, then find the frequency of the 4th observation. Student late, it is already given that the frequency of first 3 is given. So the frequency of 2, that is 3 times. Then 4, it is coming 2 times. Plus 1, 6, it is coming 1 time. And let the frequency of the last observation, that is 8, is f. How many are these? We can say 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus f, and that is given by 4. The mean, the formula for the mean of the given observations is sum of all observations upon number of observations. So 2 3s are 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8f upon 6 plus f, that is 4. On further multiplication, we can say that we can say that 24 plus 4f is equal to 20 plus 8f. On further simplification, we write f is equal to 1 answer. So the frequency of the 4th observation, that is 8, that is 1. So 8 will come appear is 1 time. So now we can check the answer here. Is 1 is the option here given here? Yes. So C is the correct option here. Now we come to the next question. That is, please read the question twice. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. This mean is given. What is mean here? It is already given. Mean is 18. Find the missing frequency. So first of all, to solve these type of questions, we can write here first class interval, then frequency. The class interval is 1 to 13 and 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and 23 to 25. You please also do this question. And its frequency is given by 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5, 4. To use this formula, we need the class mark, means the mid value of the class. So xi here, what is xi here? The mid value of each class means the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 11 plus 13, that is 24, divided by 2, that is 12. Similarly, the mid value of class 13 and 15 is 14. And class 15 to 17 is 16. Class 17 to 19, that is 18. Class 19 to 21, that is 20. Class 21 to 23, that is 22. And class 23 to 25, that is 24. Now, using the formula, that is, we have to do it by the direct method. So we need Fi into Xi. In this question, what we do, we multiply the f with corresponding x. So 12 into 7, that is 84. Please do the next part, and 14 into 6, that is also 84. And 16 9 ja 144 students. And 18 into 13, you multiply, please, 18 into 13, that is 234. And 20 into f, right, 20f only, because we don't have the value of f, so f is the variable here. And now 22 to 5, that is 110. And then 44 to 9, 24 to 40 into 4, that is 96. We know that the formula for the mean is, first of all, we have to find out the sum of all frequencies. Sum of all frequencies is given by you add these frequencies: 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus f plus 5 plus 4. So that is f plus 44. And sum of all fi into xi, you put the sign, that is sign of summation. So to add kariye, 84, 84, 144, 234, 20 into f, 110, and 96. Please add 84 plus 84 plus 144 plus 220, 234 plus 110 and 96, that is 752, and plus 20f. इनको बहुत ढंग से ऐड करिए, 2 बार ऐड करिए. अगर ये रॉन्ग हो जाता है, इसका मतलब है कि हमारे सारा क्वेश्चन ही रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द मीन? वी नो दैट मीन is given by sum of all f into x divided by sum of f. Further, the mean is already given, that is what? That is 18. The mean is given 18. So in place of x bar, we put 18 here. That is 752 plus 20f upon f plus 44. On further simplification, we can write here. Can you simplify it further, students? Or I have to. So we can write here on further simplification, that is twice of f is equal to 40, or f is equal to 20 answer. You solve it by cross multiplication method and then get the answer. The value of f, that will be 20. See how to do this question. पहले हमने इसका 11 13 का मिड वैल्यू फाइंड आउट किया, उसको xi से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, इनको सबको ऐड किया, that is means f plus 44. Sorry, this one, that is f plus, we have to add this and this, and then we have to multiply fi by corresponding fi xi multiply kiya, then we add these numbers, that is 752 plus 28, then we use the formula for the mean, that is the formula for the mean, and thus on calculating we get the frequency, that is 20. Can we check your answer? Yes. So B is the correct option here, the student. This B is the correct option. देखिए हमने कैसे इसको सॉल्व किया. This is very important question. This is subjective question. Object means objective question. In term 2, subjective part will be there. Means subjective type of questions will be there. And now, if it is clear to you, you can see here again. We come to the next question. The same question is here. Means question number 8 says, what is the mean of the following data? So right here, first the same table, इसको बहुत हम slowly करेंगे ताकि आपके बात समझ में आए. That is class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay. Its frequency is given by 3, then 5, then 9, then 5, then 3. It is given. इसमें हमने कुछ ज़्यादा किया नहीं है. Then now what to do? We have to find out the mid value, and that is given by xi. Xi means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 10, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. xi के लिए हमें लोअर लिमिट और अपर लिमिट को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड करना है. 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Similarly, 20 plus 30, that is 50 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40, that is 70 divided by 2, that is 35. 40 plus 50, that is 90 divided by 2, that is 45. Now, we have to use the formula Fi into Xi, means multiply Xi with the corresponding frequency, means 5, 3 into 5, that is 15. 5 into 15, please you multiply yourself. Yes, please, I'm giving you 2 minutes time to multiply. Get the answer of this question. 5 into 15, that is 75. Now 9 into 25, 25 9 ja 225. Then multiply 35 by 5, 35 5 ja 175. And 40 by 5 by 3, that is 135. स्टूडेंट्स अगर आपको टेबल नहीं आती है तो एक कॉलम बना के रफ कॉलम में बहुत ढंग से इनको मल्टीप्लाई करिएगा. मैक्सिमम जो गलत मिस्टेक्स होती है हमारी मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन में जल्दबाजी में हो जाती है. हमें कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है. देन सम ऑफ ऑल फ्रीक्वेंसीज, ऐड दीज नंबर्स, that is 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3, that is 25. Then sum of all f into x, that is 15 plus 75 plus 225 plus 175 plus 135. Yes, it will be 625. You have to add your own place. My speed may be little bit faster, but you have to add carefully, sincerely. Okay. Then we know after getting total means sum of all fx and sum of all frequency, that is sum of all f, the mean is given by, this is the symbol of the mean, It is given by f into x divided by all f. That is 625 upon 25. That is 25 answer. So mean of the given data is 25. This fx method is said to be the, which method is this? कौन सा मेथड कहलाता है? ये है हमारा डायरेक्ट मेथड. And this question will come of 2 marks. कम से कम टर्म 2 में जो मिनिमम मार्क्स है किसी क्वेश्चन के लिए, that is 2 marks. So thus we can find out the mean of the given datas using this formula. First convert class interval into the class mark, that is fi xi, then multiply fi xi, get the total of frequencies and use this formula. Please write this formula twice, thrice, 4 times. जब तक इस formula को लिखते रहिए, जब तक ये हमें लर्न नहीं हो जाता. तो इस टेबल में, इस डेटाज में जो इसका आंसर है मीन का, वो है 25. और कैन वी चेक द आंसर हियर? यस. सो हियर B is the correct option, student. I think you got it. And now we come to the next question. If you have done it, please keep a paper pen with you and start solving with me. Your speed should not be less than my speed in solving these questions. Right? Can I pause here for some time, for a few seconds, so that you can copy this question? Okay, now we can go for the next question. Yes. The mean of n observations, means total number of observations here are n. That is x1, x2, x3, xn is x bar. If each observation is multiplied by p, then the mean of the new observation is, actually this is the question of ninth class. We know that mean is given by, this is mean, sum of all observations, mean x1 plus x2 plus xn divided by n. Right? So we can say, on further simplification, we can write here nx bar is equal to x1 plus x2, and last observation is xn, that is 1. Now in the question it is given, if each observation is multiplied by p, so the new mean that really I am taking here by capital X, that is new mean. हर एक ऑब्जर्वेशन को हम p से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो देखिए दिस इज px1, that is px2, and similarly the last observation will be pxn, but the number of observation are still n. Taking p common, that is x1 plus x2, that is xn divided by n. So from the very first equation here, x1 plus x2 plus xn is given by nx bar. So you can write here in place of that is p, and this is nx bar upon n. क्योंकि देखिए x1 plus x2 plus last term is xn, that is given by nx bar. So in place of x1 plus x2 plus dot 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 plus xn, we can write nx bar. So now this n and n is cancelled. So this can be given by px bar. So we can say that if each observation is multiplied by p, then the new mean will be p times the old mean. So the new mean of the mean will be px bar. And now can we check the answer here? So the answer B is correct here. Answer B is correct here. Now we come to the next question. Yes. This question is also of 9th standard. The algebraic sum of all the deviation of all the observations from their mean is always, I am taking a means here for the means some example later. The mean, let I'm taking one example. Let it is I'm taking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. These are of the observation. Their mean will be given by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 4. That is 1 plus 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 by 4. That is 2.5. इन 4 नंबर्स का जो मीन है वो 2.5 है. क्वेश्चन ये है, मैंने आपको एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझाने की कोशिश की है कि जो इनका जो डेविएशन है, मीन जो डिफरेंस है ऑफ ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशन फ्रॉम देयर मीन इज कितना होना चाहिए. देखिए, फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन इज 1 minus 2.5, ये फर्स्ट के साथ का. सेकेंड वी कैन से 2 minus 2.5. थर्ड इज 3 into minus 2.5 and then 4 minus 2.5. हर एक में से, हर ऑब्जर्वेशन से मीन को सबट्रैक्ट करिए. So taking the rational part, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 2.5 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 times. So we can write 4 here. So 10 minus 10, that is equal to 0. So I try to explain you this question through an example that the algebraic sum of all the deviation means difference of all the observation from their mean is always, हर observation का उनसे जो mean से difference है वो हमेशा ही 0 के इक्वल होगा. ये ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट है और ये that is first part is the, we can write here that A is the correct option here. So students, in this, that is all. Thank you. Please see the next video for part 2. I shall be discussing. I have taken this chapter from the very beginning. शुरू से मैंने समझाने की कोशिश की है. इसके नेक्स्ट में आपका कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट होगा और उसके बाद के अंदर सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट होगा जिसके अंदर हम मीन, मोड, मीडियन के सिंपल डिफरेंट डिफिकल्ट सारे ही क्वेश्चन करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So thank you. Please keep watching. Thank you very much.